Hello and welcome to today's 1 Minute Health Reboot, and what I want to talk about is Cellulite today, and this very strange machine is my new and latest discovery. So 95% of women have cellulite to some degree, and it's a problem for most of us. And I've written blogs before about what to do about it, and this has always been my number one top remedy. You use this daily in the shower and it breaks down those lumpy bits that we all want to do without. But when I was in America recently, I came across this, which I wasn't quite sure what it was to start with. But again, it's called the fascia blaster, I think, if you're in America. And what it does is the fascia is the connective tissue that holds all our organs together and basically runs all over your body. Every bit of you has fascia. And when the fascia gets damaged in some way, it kind of wrinkles and crinkles a little bit, which contributes to the cellulite orange peely look. So what this does is it irons out your cellulite. So you put it on your leg, or wherever your cellulite is, and you rub really hard in different directions. If you find a particularly difficult bit or a piece of scarring that you want to break down, you use the pointy end to go into it more. And you're basically ironing out the fascia. And because of its structure, so this one you can press hard, but this one much harder. And you literally just press as hard as you can. And the difference is amazing. Interestingly, the first few times you use it, you may well get bruising because it really makes that much of a difference. But the bruising soon disappears, and you'll be able to press harder and harder and harder. And you end up with a really smooth look. I'm really pleased with it. So that's my tip for the day.